Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi bersama saya di Indo Brownie Channel dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan lagi reaction kita dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan series My Little Pony Friendship is Magic season keempat dan sekarang adalah episode ke-21 ya, yang judulnya Testing 1, 2, 3 ya. Dan tanpa berlama-lama lagi kita langsung saja ke videonya ya. Kita akan mulai videonya dalam 3, 2, 1, mulai.
The magical properties of this spell will only have lasting effects if you focus on... No! Rainbow Dash! Ugh! How in Equestria does that pony expect to pass her History of the Wonderbolts exam tomorrow if she's wasting time flying?
Oke.
I'm just gonna
Kayaknya nih,
her and tell her what I think about her lackadaisical
kayaknya ini
studying.
episodenya
Won't
tentang
she
Rainbow Dash ya,
surprise?
yang
What? Huh?
ingin mengikuti
Oh,
ujian
please, Twilight. That was the worst
masuk
sneak attack
Wonderbolt ya.
ever.
Yang Wonderbolt ya.
But I saw you giving me the stink eye from the ground and heard you flying towards me and muttering from a mile away. Well, if you heard me muttering, then you must know what I was muttering about. Yeah, the Wonderbolt's history test. No big deal. No, big deal. Really big deal. It's a test. A test that will determine if you can join the newly formed Wonderbolt's
Ya,
reserves. And
tes
being part of
memang
the Wonderbolt's reserves
penting,
means you'll
sangat
have the
penting ya.
opportunity to live your dream as a Wonderbolt. This is the most important test of your life. Twilight, not every pony gets all freaked out about tests like you. I do not get all freaked out about tests. Seriously? Your freakouts are so epic, you sing whole freak-out arias about freaking out. Fine, I may tend to take my tests a little seriously, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't be studying for yours. And I know just the pony who can help you. Me!
Iya.
It's gonna be so much fun!
Oke,
Fun.
waktunya Rainbow Dash belajar ya untuk tesnya ya. Poni kecilku, poni kecilku, apa makna persahabatan poni kecilku? Kini ku tahu sejak berteman, petualangan, keceriaan, keikhlasan, setia dan tabah, berbuat baik bersahaja, magis membuat sempurna. Poni kecilku, kalian adalah sahabatku. Kacamata hitamnya Rainbow Dash.
This is the most complete and ginormous book on the history of the Wonderbolts.
Wow,
Okay, but
tebal
how am I
banget ya
supposed to get
buku
what's in
sejarahnya
there
Rainbow
into
Wonderbolts ya.
here? With my handy-dandy study checklist, of course. Of course. First up, reading and highlighting. Reading and highlighting is the foundation of any good study method.
Reading
It allows
and
the student to hone in and boil down on what's really important.
highlighting.
Separating the good from the bad, the wheat from the chaff, getting to the crux of things. Let's see what you've got so far. Huh? By
Semuanya.
highlighting everything, you don't really separate the wheat from the chaff,
Ya, semuanya.
or the good from the bad. Hey, I am not that tall.
Kayaknya itu referensinya episodenya SpongeBob ya. Saya lupa yang episode mana ya.
Clearly, reading and highlighting is not your style of studying. So let's move on to the tried and true
Metode apa?
history lecture.
Kuliah sejarah.
Yes, Rainbow? Is it snack time? No. Recess?
Nope.
No. Can't we just watch the History of the Wonderbolts movie? No. Now, just get comfortable and experience the magic of learning.
The magic of learning.
Prior to the Great Celestia Luna Rift, there was no need for the Earth Unicorn Pegasi, or EUP Guard.
EUP
And
Guard.
after Luna's vanishment, the protective pony platoons were formed. On the anniversary of the first celestial year of peace, a celebration was held,
Aduh,
headed by General Firefly.
malah bikin
and
beat
a
anu, coy.
team of aerial performers was
Musik.
chosen to help commemorate this auspicious occasion. The first performance was so full of energy, so highly charged, that magical lightning showered down on the crowd. Every pony was so filled with amazement and wonder that General Firefly dubbed them the Wonderbolts.
General Firefly nih.
Rainbow Rainbow Dash, can you repeat any of my lesson?
Jawabannya tidak. Tidak mau ikut-ikutan ya. Spike dengan Oli
History
Shoes.
lecture? Nope. Okay, Rainbow. Rainbow? Rainbow Dash! Here! Let's move on to my favorite style of learning. Flashcards!
Kartu flash.
Oh, does that mean I'll learn in a flash? One can only hope. Colonel Purple Dart, the leader of the Wonderbolts in the fourth
Colonel
Celestial
Purple
Era,
Dart.
was known for his... Wah! Rainbow, did you see what happened? What? No! I was riveted by your captivating cards.
Rainbow Dash. You can lie.
Becoming
You
the official
can
flying
lie.
squadron for Princess Celestia, she honored them with... Gotcha! Go what? The original Wonderbolt's Lightning Bolt insignia was... Ah! Rainbow Dash, you could have hurt me. With a spit wad? Really? A spit wad to the eye would have been no laughing
Iya.
matter.
Kalau kena mati itu sakit banget coy.
Well, if you can
Betul.
horse around like this, then you clearly must be ready for the test. Clearly. Well then, I guess you're also ready for a... Pop quiz!
Pop
Great.
quiz.
The initials EUP stand for what? Ernie's Undercooked Pancakes.
No.
The original Ariel team performed for Celestia's Cereal Celebration. The Wonderbolts were given their name by this famous Pegasus. Who is she? Please don't say Colonel Waffle. Hello, General Blazing Donut Glaze.
Medap semua cok.
So, did I ace it or what?
No, salah
Or
semua.
What? You didn't get one answer correct. What? But how? I don't know. I've never heard answers so wrong. And so breakfast related.
Ya
If
belum
you had
sarapan
taken the
kayaknya
official
Rambudas.
test today, my dreams of being in the Wonderbolts Reserve
Yep,
have been totally
yep.
crushed.
Cadangan ya.
What am I gonna do? I'm running out of time. I don't know any of this history. I'm gonna fail.
Makanya tadi disuruh belajar sama
I'm gonna fail. I'm gonna fail.
Twilight.
I'm gonna fail. And it's all your fault. My fault.
Kenapa
I'm
jadi
only helping
kesalahannya
you.
Twilight?
Maybe your famous study methods aren't all they're cracked up to be, teacher? Excuse me, I've used them to study for many a test and passed. Yeah, right. Do you know the name of the
Yeah.
premier Wonderbolts choreographer? Well, Commander Easy Glider. Do you know how many Pegasi flew in the original squad? 7. Do you know Princess Celestia's favorite flight pattern?
Banyak tahu ya.
Incorrect
Tahu banyak
sound
anu
salutation.
si Twilight
See?
ya.
I could pass the test. Fine, rub it in, why don't you? Besides, I don't see why I have to take this lousy test anyway. I've proven I'm one of the best flyers around. Knowing their origin and being able to properly represent them for all of Equestria is just as important. Yeah, right. Some history buff like you must have made that up to bring us flyers down. Knowing history actually is beneficial, Rainbow. Beneficial for eggheads. Girls. Well, this egghead knows history and can fly. Maybe I should become a Wonderbolt.
Huh.
Because you've got wings doesn't mean you can fly. Girls. You're barely able to get off
Girls.
the ground.
Dengarkan Fluttershy.
Girls. Now, is that any way to talk to a friend?
By the way, Fluttershy ini seumuran ke semua dengan kayak Twilight, Rainbow Dash.
Don't you have
Yang
more
jelas
important
itu
things to do, like prepare
Fluttershy ini lebih tua 1 tahun daripada Pinkie Pie ya. Kita sudah diberitahu itu ya. Tapi entahlah berapa umurnya yang lain, teman-teman yang lain ini. Teater.
Oh, who's that? Who's that? Celestia and Luna, back when they were happy.
Teaternya diperangkap oleh hewan peliharanya, anu ya, Man Six.
Now what?
Gummy's an Earth Pony, Winona's a unicorn, and Tank is a Pegasus.
They're the EUP, helping to protect the princess.
EUP ya, Earth Pony, Unicorn,
How are
dan
you getting
Pegasus ya yang P-nya. Kacau teternya coy.
Stop, stop, stop! That was awesome! Give it 3 woohoos! Woohoo, woohoo, woohoo! And an extra woo for good measure. Woo! Well, I give it a whoa, whoa, what? I'm
Whoa,
totally
whoa,
confused.
what?
I just want to go home. Whoa!
Hey! Whoa your woes there, Wolfle. Some ponies learn through theatrical presentation, but other ponies learn through musical intervention.
Sialan, rap aneh ya. Rap Pinky.
Well, back in ancient times that were the wonderbolts of old, a general named Firefly, amazing and so bold. She brought them all together, spreading unity and faith. Performing at the
Saya baru sadar ini Man 6 bisa mengetahui sejarahnya Wonderbolt daripada Rainbow Dash ya. Mereka semua tahu Rainbow Dash yang tidak, coy.
Commander Easy Glider was the real cream of the crop. For with their wicked moves, the Wonderbolts soared to the top. Wonderbolts, yeah! Wonderbolts, Wonderbolts, yeah! Wonderbolts, that is my rapping history.
Kayaknya itu pertama kalinya. Oh, enggak sih.
So, do you get it? Yes, Pinkie Pie.
Di Extra Girl
General
sudah
Pinkie
diperlihatkan
Pie
matanya nih ya.
and the Wonderbolts of the
Digimon 3
Environment.
atau Final Scratch ya.
That
Tapi kalau
terrible.
yang di Persifoninya ya, Equestrianya. Persifoni itu baru di episode kali ini diperlihatkan ya matanya.
And I am just the pony to help. Rarity, you look ridiculous.
No.
I'm going to ignore that comment out of
Keren saya
sight.
lihat sih, Rarity coy.
Good luck. Get ready, Rainbow Dash, for I am going to take you on an historical adventure in fashion. I am now modeling the rather unattractive and, frankly, itchy original Wonderbolt's flying costume. Fortunately, thanks to the vision of Flair de Mer, the Wonderbolt's ensemble became more streamlined in a wonderfully breathable fabric. Of course, there were fashion hits and misses. Just look at those dreadful bell-bottoms. What were ponies thinking?
I don't know. I bet General Flash rocked these things.
General Flash.
You're real. Of course I'm real. I mean, I'm not the real General Flash, the 10th leader of the Wonderbolts, but I, Pinkie, am really real. And I'm Admiral Fairy Flight from the 7th Squadron.
And of course you recognize Commander Easy Glider.
And I'm sporting some sort of get-up worn by Colonel Purple Dart.
Just look at us.
Look at us. Look at me!
It's too much for my eyes.
Now, don't you fret, Rainbow. This fashion show nonsense wouldn't help me learn nothing either.
Kayak tersinggung Rarity.
What special study trick do you have, AJ?
Who, me? Oh, I got nothing.
Oh,
Why, I could tell you every little thing there is to know about the history of apples, but I picked all that up over years in the field as a labor of love. How much time you got?
12 hours.
Oh, then you are up a creek.
Iya.
Well, I think we should just go back to old-fashioned studying.
What about our play?
Pertunjukan ya.
Just look at these costumes. Surely some
Tapi mereka belum ya
And Granny
menyadari
said
kalau
the
misalnya
first
Rainbow
Granny
Dash ini
said
punya
Philadelphia,
kayak
and she was just a filly.
cara belajarnya sendiri gitu.
Pinkie, stop rapping. That isn't gonna help Rainbow.
Well, I suggest you put down your silly cards of Flash, for I know that they cannot help our good friend Rainbow Dash.
Ya, sekarang mereka bertengkar soal cara belajar yang terbaik gitu. Oh, kasihan si Spike.
Never gonna pass this test ever. Just forget it. Rainbow, I'm sorry about all that. We didn't mean to overwhelm you.
It's okay. You were just trying to help. It's just too bad I'm too dumb to learn anything.
You are not dumb. You just learn differently.
Ya, saya sendiri sebenarnya tidak tahu sih cara belajar saya yang paling bagus apa ya.
See? Wrong again.
Apalagi ingatan saya sudah tidak sebagus yang dulu.
Well, that's not gonna get me into the Wonderbolts. And your knowledge of jokes and pranks is only rivaled by Pinky. Great. My years of being a class clown prevented me from actually learning how to learn. That's not what I meant. You're smart, creative, inventive, and... Hey! I know you're upset, but you don't need to...
Wah, helikopter.
Oh, I almost slammed into that. I know.
Dan
You're jabbering on so much you didn't even notice.
bukan pakai mesin ya, pakai ya masih pakai mesin sih, cuma tenaganya dari poninya sendiri.
While you fly, it's essential. Yes, I was paying attention to you,
Wow,
but was also
multitasking
scanning the
ya.
sky and the
Kalau
ground
misalnya
for any
sedang
problems. Really?
terbang, Rainbow
Well,
Dash.
I'm not just flying. In order to stay safe in the sky, I gotta hear and see everything down to the littlest detail. For instance, I saw Apple Bloom, Sweetie Belle, and Scootaloo come out of Sugar Cube Corner, and from the looks of it, they had carrot cupcakes with sprinkles. And I'm thinking Big Mac sold a huge order of apples to Filthy Rich.
Ingatannya bagus Rainbow Dash kalau saya terbang ya, karena dia kayak multitasking
I
gitu.
always make note of everything when I fly. No biggie. Oh my gosh. What? Gotta go. Yeah.
Gotta go.
I get it. I wouldn't want to hang out with a loser like me either.
Ah, gara-gara Rainbow Dash sedih malah jadi hujan.
Thanks for
Hujan ya.
keeping me, every pony. What is it, Twilight? We have to help Rainbow Dash.
Yes, but how?
We've tried every kind of studying. My way, your way. But we haven't tried Rainbow Dash's way.
Ya,
I'm intrigued.
ya
Okay, listen up, ponies. Here's the plan.
punya caranya sendiri ya, cara belajarnya sendiri.
Hey, Rainbow. Wanna go for a fly?
Wanna go for a fly?
Got nothing better to do. Didn't we just do this? Yes, but like you said, I'm such a newbie, I need all the practice I can get. Yeah, well, I'm sure you'll become a great flyer in no time. After all, you're good at everything. So, what's going on? Oh, nothing. Just getting my dreams crushed. Read any good books lately? Just history books. I tell you what they're about, but my brain is as dry as a rock.
Ya,
Speaking of rocks, did you know Pinkie Pie grew up on a rock farm? Maybe I'll go work there since I have no other plans. for the rest of my life.
jadi basa-basi sih, berusaha basa-basi si anu ya, Twilight supaya
Dream has given up on me. Maybe
bisa
I'll
terbang
shine
lebih
shoes,
lama ya bersama Rainbow Dash.
Dig ditches, or maybe you'll be a Wonderbolt. Twilight, give it up. I have.
Dan ini rumahnya Rainbow Dash ya,
So, what do you remember about that?
rumahnya kan,
Nothing important.
rumahnya sendiri bukan rumah orang
Since
tuanya.
after Luna was banished to the moon, Celestia needed protective forces, so Earth, Unicorn, and Pegasi formed the EUP Guard of the Protective Pony Platoons. Yes?
Lalu
And at the celebration of the first celestial year of peace, an elite flying squadron performed, headed by General Firefly, who later named the group the Wonderbolts.
Uh-huh.
Commander Easy Glider established flight choreography that is still used by the Wonderbolts today.
Yes?
I know the history.
ya dia tahu sejarahnya.
But how in Equestria did that happen?
You learned it!
Yeah, I got that. But how?
Well,
How?
on my first flight, I discovered that you catalog everything that happens all around you when you're flying, without even thinking about it. Don't you see? I made use of your special skills by enlisting every pony to help you learn the history of the Wonderbolts.
I, Princess Celestia, banish you, Princess Luna, to the moon.
Sialan rarity actingnya kayak gitu.
Unicorn!
sempat terbang sebentar, tidak terlalu tinggi ya si
Celebrate our
skuter
first
lu.
celestial year of peace.
Yeah, let's party! I'm General Firefly. Gee, my costume is itchy and unattractive, but I'm gonna assemble an awesome flying team. I'll call them the Wonderbolts!
Streamlined style by Flair de Mer.
Admiral Fairweather.
Colonel Purple Dart.
Dan ada side pony ya,
General Flare.
karakter sampingan lainnya ya.
Easy Glider.
Wow. Warga Ponyville membantu juga ya Rainbow Dash untuk mengingat sejarah Wonderbolts ya.
The history of the Wonderbolts.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh!
Dan cantik juga Fluttershy kalau misalnya pakai gayanya kayak
But it all came from
Princess
you.
Celestia.
You learn without knowing you're learning. Your main focus is flying, but then your brain is also absorbing lots of other information. It's actually really brilliant.
Iya, multitaskingnya Rainbow Dash bagus saat terbang ya.
Brilliant.
Ingatannya bagus banget kalau terbang.
Rainbow Dash finally learned the history of the Wonderbolts. But she's not the only pony that needed a lesson. I needed to learn something just as important. One way of learning is
Salah satu cara belajar tidaklah lebih baik dari cara belajar lainnya. Lagi pula setiap poni itu unik dan individual. %100% nilainya Rainbow Dash. Oke, dan itu adalah episode ke-21 season keempat My Little Pony Friendship is Magic ya. Dan jika kalian suka dengan konten-konten seperti ini, jangan lupa untuk like, comment, share, dan subscribe ya. Dan jika kalian ingin mendukung saya, kalian bisa dukung lewat Patreon, Severia, Traktir maupun Dana yang linknya ada di deskripsi ya. Dan jika kalian ingin menonton video saya yang lainnya tanpa ketinggalan pemberitahuannya, jangan lupa aktifkan loncengnya ya. Dan untuk video kali ini segitu saja, sampai jumpa di next video Free Palestine, bye.